You're not gonna kill him. There's no way.
Oh
crap!
Ryan, get out of there! He's so
Look how fast he is.
So fast. Oh my gosh, I'm dead.
In this corner, we have a T-Rex level 135,037. In this corner, we have a Giga 135,028 level, and this Raptor is just running after me like crazy. Why are you having so far away? Are they really gonna run after each other?
I'm gonna bring him closer.
Yeah, bring him closer because he's not gonna see him. These guys have no eyesight.
Yep.
Yeah, he might have tried to do it.
You might want to back up as soon as you untame him.
I'll see if I can untame the Giga.
Options.
Nope, I
Here we
can't.
go. Unclaiming. Ready?
Okay, okay.
5, 4, 3.
You gotta
2.
run over to the Giga.
I am. Okay, done.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead. That's
Who's
it.
dead?
The Giga. Giga's dead. Alright, so we gotta kill this thing.
Shit.
Yes.
You're not gonna kill him. There's no way.
Oh,
crap!
Ryan, get out of there. He's so
Look how fast he is.
So fast. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. He is so fast. It actually. Where'd he go?
He's over here.
She's for me.
Why'd you put it with speed? That's crazy. Why'd we do that?
That wasn't smart. We should probably we should definitely drop him off the edge or something.
Come on, walk. Oh.
Oh, he's dying. He's dying. We can kill him. Just don't get hit by him.
I'm trying to run into him. Come on, run. Snipe. I hit him. Awesome, I hit him.
Okay, time to move.
He's like a T-Rex. He's like a raptor.
He's so fast. You gotta keep shotgunning him. He looks like he did some damage. Just run.
Wow.
Let's start going this way. They're gonna say.
Perfect. Alright, now I have to join in.
No, I got hit by it. Didn't one shot me.
Get out the way. He's a bully.
Yeah, you think?
Oh.
Holy shit.
Oh, don't worry me. Please don't bite me.
I had to let him bite me.
Oh my god. He's going so fast I can't even shoot him.
Yeah, let's get him to attack the Sneggle. Maybe we buy some time.
He walked right by him.
He doesn't want the Sneggle. He wants me. Why?
Because you're pissing him off. I gotta shoot way ahead of him. There we go. Oh!
I'm on the hill.
Surprise! It's getting dark too. We had to light them up somehow.
I need to run back and grab my stuff.
Oh, my gun over here.
Tough.
Alright, you know what? I'm going to my shotgun. He stopped moving. Anybody else still here or no?
Yeah, I'm still here.
I'm shooting him right in the head.
Much health do you have?
Dying? Use your spyglass. What is he at?
It doesn't tell me. It only tells me what level.
Well, this is like shooting fish in a barrel.
Don't start running again.
He's gone. Uh-oh.
How do we kill this thing?
I don't know.
We're gonna run out of ammo, so.
Really?
All my stuff peaceful. That's so weird, dude.
Whoa. Where is he? There he is.
He almost bit me.
He has terrible turning radius.
How do we dispose of a creature like this?
Just strafe him.
I think I'm gonna run out of ammo.
I got it, boys. No worries.
What?
I retamed it. Take it out, fellas.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Hang
I'm
on,
killing.
I'll tell you. Dude, there's no way. He's got 34 points to go and he's got 100. He's got 1.3 million. You just increased his health.
No.
Someone did.
Take it.
His complete health now is 10.3 million.
Josh, I think he has your stuff. He does.
He's 10.3 million now, the health. Need some food.
Alright. Let's start hitting.
Why kill him? Leave him. Set him for roaming and leave him out of here.
Huh. Okay.
I don't know. I don't know.
Why? You let him roam, he'll breed. What's wrong with that?
Poker's asking us what are we up to right now.
You too huge.
Tell him to come over here and take a look. He'll die instantly, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Once you put him up, I'm gonna set him for aggressive. Okay?
Hey, tell me to come to the green obelisk.
Yeah. It'll be like a thank you for joining us. Alright, so options. No, not options. What I gotta do? Behavior, right? Attack your thing. Aggressive. Alright, he's set on aggressive. And he's gonna stay. I just wanted to do that. Tough, where are you? Oh, you're over there. You dropping a bunch of stuff?
Yeah.
That thing is so freaking. That's so freaking hot looking. He was just coming out on for a couple of minutes to see what I've done. Oh, he's a young kid though.
Yeah.
Did you know you can spin and turn at the same time with the Petrodon? That's pretty snazzy. I didn't know you can do that. Watch. We going back home?
Yep.
That was awesome.
Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,